Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making a ring band. A ring that's a band. You know what I mean. And we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to make a ring band. And we're going to use some monofilament. You need about 30 centimeters or a foot worth. You're gonna need a lighter. Isn't it cute? It's a little owl. I love owls. You're gonna need 10-aught seed beads. Today I'm using black as the contrasting color, and I'm using different shades of purple as well. So let's get started. So cut your monofilament. Okay, here we go. That is done. Now what we're gonna do is we are gonna pick up two of our feature, or the color you want the feature part of your ring. So I'm gonna go this clear purple. One. Oops. Sorry. Two. Okay. We're gonna bring those down without losing your ends. We're gonna bring those down. Okay. Now, on each side, we're gonna put two black beads. Okay, one. Holy, missed that one. One. Two. Nope. Darn it. Two. Oh my goodness, I keep missing it. Two. I'm letting those drop so they don't fall. Okay, and then two on this one. Whoops. One. Oh, geez. I'm struggling here today getting these on. The one. Oh my goodness. Two. Two. Okay. So you let those fall. And now I'm going to do, so this is what we've got so far, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm doing different shades of purple. So I'm going to go to another shade of my purple. And I'm going to put two on. It doesn't matter which thread you put it on. One, two. There, that was better. Okay, now my working thread is going through that way. I want my other working thread to crisscross through these. Okay, so this is what I've got. Okay, and then we're going to bring those down, and this is the start of our band. Okay, I want you to continue until this measures and to go almost completely around your finger. Okay, so do that. Meet me back. Okay, so this is how many I needed to get around my little fingers. So I'll count the centers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 I had to do. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is, without twisting my work, oh, and I ended off with just the 2 black beads on either side, okay? I'm gonna reach for the other side, and starting with my right hand thread, I'm gonna crisscross through these beads. Okay, those 2 beads. And then take my other one and go from the opposite direction. Remember, I'm working around a camera, so it's a miracle that I was able to do this. Okay, so here we go. This is what we've got. Okay, so now we're gonna go through these 2 black beads on the side, and we're gonna start filling these spaces. Now for me, I'm just gonna fill them with black. So we're gonna go through these 2. And then taking my other one. I'm right-handed, so I always turn my work so that I can do it right-handed. So I'm going through those 2 right there. Okay. Come on now. Did I get through both? I don't think so. There we go. Okay. So this is what we're looking at now, okay? So now we're gonna start just filling in these spaces, okay? So do that all the way around and meet me back. Okay, so I'm at the last 2 holes. See, I have a hole on that side, a hole on that side. So now, without losing my beads and working around a camera, I am gonna put this into the next black bead. It doesn't matter if you go through a few, just make sure you've actually gone through them. That's fine. Make sure it pops. What have I done? It twisted. Nope, I went in the wrong way. This is supposed to go into this side. This way. There we go. See how I'm manipulating the beads so that I can get that in there easier? I'm popping it up with my messed up nail. Oh my gosh, the struggle is real. And it doesn't matter if you only go through 1 or 2 or 3. Main thing is, oh, there I go. See, so I went through, what did I go through? I went through 3, and that's okay. So now, I'm pretty sure I lost the bead. Yeah, I did. So I'm going to put a bead on this one. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Do that, meet me back. Okay, so I have them both coming out the same beads. Do you, oh, geez. See where I'm coming out? Okay. So now we're going to start doing knots. So we'll do one at a time. So I'm just going to hold the other one in this hand. We're going to go through the space. See how I'm coming through the space there? I know it's hard to see with this monofilament. And I'm going to pull it through the loop once, and then from the same direction I'm going to put it through the loop twice through the loop. Oh my goodness. Hold it differently. Through the loop once, through the loop twice. This isn't this hard. But you know what? I'm not going to delete this from the video because it's good to know that we all struggle with these things. Okay, so here's what we've got. Now, you see, I want the string to end up right here, right beside where it's coming out, okay? So I put it there and then I'm pulling tight. Okay? So now, I don't know if you can see, but I've got a knot there. So do the same thing on the other side. Meet me back. Okay, so I've got 2 knots on either side. We're going to feed it through beads again, and we're going to do another knot. Okay, so do that again and meet me back. And then I'll show you how we just finish it off. Okay? And if you haven't had a chance yet, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And yeah, so through some beads on each side, do another knot, and then meet me back. Okay, so I made my knot right there, see it? And then I went through some more beads. And I made my knot right there, went through some more beads. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the excess on both sides, okay? Now this is where your lighter comes in because you'll be able to feel, oh, well I can't feel them. Dang it. You will be able to feel sharpness somewhere. Well, I fluked it. I don't feel sharpness on this one, but if you did, I'd see if I can find my ends. Oh, is that here? Oh my goodness, I've never done this so well before. Well, anyway, if you found some sharpness, you would. I'm just gonna get a scrap piece. If you found some sharpness, you would take your lighter and you would just give it a little burn. And see what it does there is it turns it into a ball, and then it's not sharp at all. So if you had ends sticking out, which I can't find mine, ooh, ooh. There it is. See it? It's just teeny. But anyway, we're going to take the lighter to it. There, now it's not sharp. There we go. And that's all you do. Anyway, guys, that is the completed ring. Isn't it cute? I just love it. So there you go. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and check my description. I always put tons of goodies in my description. Have a great day. Bye now.